Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and yes, another new Tailwind utility. Not utility actually. So Tailwind related video. Yeah. So today I gonna share four different, totally different type of Tailwind gradient generators. Okay. So this will obviously will not create regular gradients, but will create tailwind specific, like tailwind color coded gradients. Now here are some problems over here that I will explain while going through all of them. And another thing I would like to say that after having this arbitrary constant in tailwind css classes, we can actually add any kind of gradient that we want, but still using native gradient from tailwind css will be a lot more easier, I would think, and it will add less code to your like production code. So that's why you can use it, or because actually tailwind have a lots of color already. Why would I even like to use any other, right? So let's just get started with it, and let's roll out the intro. So here I have our first Tailwind CSS gradient. Okay, Tailwind CSS gradient generator that is from Tailwind Components. And if you don't know about Tailwind Components, Tailwind Components is a great library of user-made Tailwind components. Yeah, components that is reusable and can be made in any language, but mostly HTML using Alpine JS. Okay, so here you can see it's quite simple. The interface is too much simple, but one downside I have found out here that can you can see the color names over here. This is blue, gray, true gray, warm gray, and all. Okay, and what I know is I think this is not the color palette that is named right now. Right now blue gray is slate, then there is zinc. I think gray is zinc, then true gray is what, neutral. So they have changed the color name a lot, and I don't think lime is there in the new color palette also. Then there should be an amber. Yeah, there should be a amber version of yellow as well, that is also not here, but rose is still here. So this color palette is usable for previous generation of tailwind css, but not this generation as at all, like at all. Okay, but it have some really cool features of like, suppose you want to turn on just text gradient, having the text gradient, that means obviously text color transparent bg clip text. So that's basically the tailwind css class for it. Now you can have tons of colors over here, and you can add this via section if you want it, and if you don't want it, if you like, simply can omit it. And you can choose from suppose you are choosing from I can, like, suppose I'm choosing this color. Oh, wait, let me go to, yeah, suppose I'm choosing from this color to maybe this color. See, the gradient is generated, and you can simply like click on the clipboard to click, uh, copy it, and you can choose all of the other directions as well. So this is about our first gradient generator. That is really simple, nothing like much in it. Okay, and it's for tailwind css older versions, not newer version, that I would like to mention. So let's go to our next generator. Now this is a bit intuitive, but this is as well a bit glitchy. Okay, I don't know why. Maybe it's on just my device, it's like, work, it's doing these glitches or what. I don't know, but I really don't know why it is doing like that. But here you can see all of the colors, and suppose I wanna click on red, and from red via. So I don't wanna use I don't know how those things are working. In T transparent, okay. In none, T transparent, C maybe color, B is black, W is white. So none. So let's click on it none, and let's choose the wait. Let's choose a darker version of red, maybe from red 100. But yeah, I want to choose a darker version shade of red, maybe 500. Yeah. And I think this is also, no, this is not. This is our new gray palette. Yeah, this is our really new gray palette, that is slate gray neutral stone. Yeah, this is our all new gray palette. And as you can see, so there will be amber as well, right? Yeah, here is amber. So via none, and then here again color, I want to choose suppose orange, right? Yeah, this is orange. Suppose this looks almost same. Wait, yeah. And in this section, amber section, I would like to choose a little bit lighter tone, maybe. Yeah. Now here is here the board, the gradient is set from top left. You can set it from right. That is normally set from, so in any gradient whenever you copy from the official documentation. And you can set it otherwise as well, from bottom right to top right. So you can see what's happening, right? The to color is getting the priority over here, and the from color is getting into the bottom. So it's working like that, whatever. So you can understand it. And when you click on generate random gradients, it will generate really random gradients for you, that you can also use, and simply copy on it to copy these colors. Okay. So that was our second gradient generator. Now let's go to our third, a little bit more intuitive one. Okay. So from here you can choose from color. From here you can choose via. From here you can choose to. Okay. Simple enough. And as you can see, via is inactive right now. We don't want it at all right now. Okay. So let's actually choose yellow, not yellow, amber again. Okay. Now amber, in amber I can choose, this is probably 400, right? Like wait, 0, 100, 200, 300. No, it is 300. Okay, so let's choose 300. In the two section, let's choose all. Okay, so this is orange, and 500. So you can see these gradients over here now. But this interface is little bit of clumsy, I would say, because as you can see there are too many overlapping things over here. Here, from here you can choose the directions of it. See, and here in the info you can choose a name, maybe here you can get the code. Wait, it's JSON file. Why? Here you can delete it. Yeah, here is the actual code, that is this one, simply. Okay. And here you are getting it in CSS also. That is also a great thing. If you are not using Tailwind CSS, you can always use this as well. And yeah, that's actually it. Yeah. I don't know why they have provided JSON, but yeah, if you want to have JSON, you can always have this. And they have given you a preview over white background and black background as well. So that is also a great thing, I would like to say, that they are providing. But yeah, all of these overlapping may confuse you some of the times, because yeah, it's confusing obviously. So let's go to our last but not the least and most probably the best gradient generators, that is hypercolor. Now here you can see few of the different gradients like gradient library, from where you can choose from, and most of them has a via color. Okay, and all of them have a great name also given to it, like ice, solid blue, but it is also gradient. Then there is passion video, pink neon, all of those things. And actually you can set those colors as well, like set the gradient pattern over here, like from top, from bottom, from right, from left, top left, top bottom, so all sort of things. And you can copy the code from here. So let me show you the code. See, it is copying the RGB code. That means it is copying the simple CSS code over here. And if you choose to like click on this, it will obviously uh, ch- uh, it will obviously copy the tailwind CSS derivative over here, as you can see it over here. And yeah, if you and they have this option also, that is I think also great, that you can like totally keep it as a picture as well. Like if you click on it, they will download a picture of this particular gradient. Now I'm not gonna download it right now because I don't need it. So this is my gradient panels. And if I go to the generators, so here is a simple generator. Now this is most probably the most advanced generator that I have seen over here, because it has every possible combination of okay, wait, uh, I think I have to change the theme for it, but I don't know from where we can change the theme, whatever. So this most probably has a best generator, because you can choose from like conic style to simple gradient style to radial. All of the options are available over here, that was not in any of the other like other gradient generators, right? And you can choose from neutral, like not from, via, and two colors as well. Now it is more of like if for the pros, because you are not getting the color previews of it, like of those text and all, not text of those colors, you have to guess which color is what. But if you know it by heart, like as I use Tailwind CSS a lot, so I know what color is what and which color I want to choose. I can like literally choose from anywhere I want to. So suppose if I can also keep it to none, and then choose, oh, kind of like emerald will look good with sky. Yeah, see, this is also possible, and I don't want to be into it with conic. Yeah, see, add soothing gradient color over here, and I can change the background to see the color visibility in both of the uh, backgrounds, like white and black. So that is also possible over here. And after getting it, you can simply click on like Tailwind CSS button to get the code or CSS code from here. So that's basically it about this site as well. And we have other section of this site, like mesh generators. That's also great, but it will obviously download only picture form, nothing else, because yeah, we don't have mesh, any kind of mesh gradient inside of our Tailwind. Yeah, as you can see, beautiful mesh style gradients using full range of Tailwind CSS colors, perfect for your desktop and mobile purpose, and you can use it in your uh, website as well if you want it, because there are too many mesh gradients. But I personally don't like any one of them, because I don't feel like it's actually like keeping it apart from the other mesh gradient generators that I know that I have featured before. Then we have some of the grainy versions as well, as you can see over here. So that is also available only in picture mode. And there are some favorites that I haven't saved over here yet, so I will not get that. So yeah, that's it about this all of those four sites. And oh, if you like those, like this video, like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some of the great apps like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature, like, it would be helpful to for me first, and then I can feature it in my future videos as well. So that's it about this video. Let me know if you which one you prefer to use for your projects. And that's it. Bye for now.